Hi. Hello kids. How are you all? Have you enjoyed our last session? I hope all of you enjoyed that. Now, let's start a new session today. What you are saying? Say louder. I can't hear.
We need Becky.
Oh, all of you need Becky? She is very naughty. Do you remember what she told in the last class? She told computer is very boring, little teacher is very strict, so I can't tolerate her. Let's ignore her. Okay.
There is no computer class without Becky.
Who told you to enter into the class?
Please let me in. The kids love me.
Okay. My kids love you. That's why you can join with me. But one condition.
What?
You must behave yourself, okay?
Okay.
So let's start our second session.
Yes.
Then say uses of computer. So computer is a very useful machine. We can use it for various purposes. Becky,
Yes.
can you say some uses of computer?
Yes.
Yes.
So, I use computer to play games
Okay.
and chat with my friends.
What all games you are playing with the computer?
I play football, cricket, and many other games.
Oh.
Yes.
And what is chatting?
Chatting. Isn't it talking?
Not only talking, you can send small messages using computer to your friends using mobile phones. You are sending WhatsApp messages, no?
Yes.
That is called chatting.
Yeah. Oh.
Not only that, there are some other uses.
Oh, is it?
Do you want to know more?
Yes.
So I'll teach you some more uses.
Yes. Teach me.
We use it to type letters.
Oh, okay.
We can type letters and you can print your name slip. You can store your papa's phone number. Also, lot of things you can do with computer.
Miss, can I type my answer next time?
Sure, you can type your answer using computer. So, computer can be used for type letters like ABCD, your names, or numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and like your father's phone number. So, for all these, we can use computer.
Oh.
Now, let's learn the next use, that is to listen to music. We can use computer to listen to music.
That's wonderful.
You are hearing music, no?
Yes.
How?
Through mobile phone.
Yes, using mobile phones we can listen, or using computer we can listen to different musics.
Yeah.
And we can use it to draw and color pictures.
Oh, is it?
Using paint software we can use it to color.
That's pen too.
Yes, using text paint or MS paint we can draw pictures and color pictures. Is it interesting?
Yes.
Next time you can draw using computer.
Wow.
Okay,
I'm
very
going
good.
to try it.
Yes, also the next very interesting use is that you can watch movies.
Oh, that sounds cool.
Yeah, very different kinds of movies.
Can I watch my cartoon in computer?
Yes, you can watch cartoons like Chota Bheem, Kochi TV,
Okay.
all that, Pokemon,
Okay.
all that cartoons.
Dora Buji.
Dora Buji, yes, sure. You can watch all that movies using the computer.
Yes.
And we can send letters.
Oh, what? Post letters?
Yes, post letters. You are not that type of letters. In olden days, we used to write letters in a paper and we are putting that paper into a cover.
Oh,
Then we have to post it in a post box.
oh, is it?
The postman will deliver that to the receiver.
Oh, okay.
So that now you no need to do that. You can directly send your letters to the receiver using
Email.
yes, that email means
Electronic mail.
electronic mail. So using email, you can send small or big messages to your papas or uncles or your friends.
Yeah.
And Becky,
Yes.
what is corona?
Corona is a big monster.
No, it is not a monster. It's a disease.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can search in the computer to learn more about corona.
Oh,
We use it to know more about the information and you can search in the browse in the computer using internet. You can learn more things like cricket, sports,
weather.
whether it is today is sunny day or rainy day, whether it will rain today. All these you can search in the computer. Also you can search that today you can search who invented computer and you can gather more information.
Ask them to search that and type it in their comment box.
Yes, you can search and find out the answer who invented computer, also who invented mouse.
Yes.
And you can find out even who invented the safety pin and your fountain pen.
Yeah.
All these you can search in the computer. So
That's
today
cool.
itself, will you search and find out the answers?
Yes, they will.
What are the questions? Who invented computer? Who invented computer mouse? Also, who invented safety pin?
And pen.
Pen. Okay.
And type this down under in the computer box. Okay.
Okay, you can do that.
In the comment box.
Okay, you can do that. Those who wish, you can do that. Okay. So, Becky,
Yes.
can you tell me
Yes.
what are the uses of a computer?
Okay, I'll sing a song.
Let me sing a cutie song. Pay attention, listen to me. Computer has many, many uses. Let's learn more about it.
Hey, Becky, stop.
Isn't it interesting?
No, this is a class. So, you told me you will behave yourself.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay.
So, tell me
The
uses of a computer.
Okay. A computer is it's a useful machine.
Mm.
So,
Mm.
we use it to do many things.
Correct, Becky, correct. Very good. Keep it up.
Okay. So, we use it to type letters,
Okay.
listen to music,
Good.
to play games,
Very good.
to draw and color pictures,
Okay.
to watch movies,
Very good.
chat with friends, to know more about something using internet.
Okay.
And the last one is we use it to send
And receive messages using
email.
electronic mail.
Yay! Yes.
So, all of you learn any 4 uses of a computer. Now, Becky,
Yes.
let's learn about places where computers are used.
Oh, yes.
Can you say some places where computers are used, Becky?
Yes.
Then tell me.
In my house
Yes.
and in the school.
In the house, for what purpose you are using computer?
For playing games,
Yes.
for chatting with my friends,
Okay.
then for watching online classes.
Sure. Then not only that, you are using computer for online shopping.
Oh yeah, I remember my papa bought me a beautiful dress from
Online.
yes,
okay.
online.
Very good.
Yeah.
We can now all of you are using that online shopping.
Yes.
And at school?
At school, I've seen in Don Bosco they use computer in the office
Yeah.
and in smart classes
Yes.
and
In-
in computer labs.
Sure. In the
Yes.
school, we are using computer for teaching many things using the smart class, and teachers used to learn more about the chapter, and we can enter marks and print report cards using computer.
Yes.
And some other places, can you tell me, Becky?
I don't know much.
Have you gone to any shops?
Yes.
Other?
Yeah, in the bill counter.
Yes.
Yes.
Have you noticed that a person is sitting in front of the computer, in front of a system, and entering the something into the computer?
Yes.
They are preparing bills.
And we get it quickly.
Sure.
Yes.
So that is in the shops for preparing bills and keeping the items list. They are using computer.
Yes.
And Becky,
Yes.
you want to go to Bangalore?
Oh yes, I would love to go to Bangalore.
So you can book your railway ticket
Oh yeah.
using computer.
Oh, that's cool and that's very easy too.
Yes, in the railway station, they are using computer for booking tickets.
Okay.
If you want to fly to America, in the airport, you can use computer for booking flight tickets.
Okay.
And in the airport, they are using computer for scheduling the flights.
Okay.
Like arrival, departure, and many more things. They are using computer.
And for controlling the flights too.
Yes.
Okay.
Sure. Now, can you tell me,
Yes.
have you ever gone to hospital?
Yes, I've gone to a hospital and I've seen people and patients taking tokens. Yes.
And doctors use computer for diagnosing the disease and for many tests like scanning,
Oh.
and in operation theater they are using computer,
Yes.
and also for keeping the records of patients.
Oh, yeah. Then,
Then police officers, they are using this computer for catching thieves.
oh, I've seen they catching thieves through CCTV and
Yes, CCTV, that in the classroom and in our school corridors you
Yeah.
might have noticed
Yes.
some cameras. These all are working with computer.
Oh, okay.
And then banks also, we are using computer for many purpose.
In ATM also.
ATM, you are putting that card and you are getting the money. There we are using computer.
Okay.
Now can you tell me the places where computers are used, Becky?
Oh, sure. I've learned it. So, the places where computers are used are in school,
Yes.
in the hospital,
Yes.
in railway station,
Okay.
in the airport, in a shop, in my house and
Sure.
in your house. Then,
Banks and in police station also.
yes, I forgot that.
Okay.
Okay.
Children, all of you, please take your textbook, pencil and eraser. Let's do an activity. Are you ready? Let's start. Are you excited? So take page number 12 in the textbook. Heading, check your progress. Read that sentence. Tick the activities that you can do on a computer. So there are 8 pictures. On that picture there is a word. So you have to find out which all activities, which all tasks you can do on a computer. Read the first one. What is that? Walk. W-A-L-K. Walk. Can we walk on computer? No. So you don't want to mark that. Let's move on to the next one. What is written there? Read. P-L-A-Y-G-A-M-E-S. Play games. What about that? Can we play games on computer? Yes, all are playing games on computer. So you have to put a tick mark there. Put a tick mark here in the box. Have you done? So let's move on to the next one. What is that? S-W-I-M. Swim. What is swim? Yeah, can we swim on computer? No, so you don't want to mark. Move on to the next one. Type letters. What about typing? You can type letters on computer. So you have to put a tick mark in the box. Have you done? Good. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, next row, first one. Draw pictures. What about that? We can draw and color pictures using computers. So put a tick mark there. Next one. What is that? Drink water. Can we drink water using computer? No, so you don't want to mark anything there. Next one. Watch movies. What about that? We are watching online class using computer. So correct. That activity we can do on computer. So put a tick mark there. What about the next one? Listen to music. Can we do that activity on computer? Yes. So put tick mark. Have you done? So let's read once more. These are the activities we can do on a computer. First one, play games. Check your answer in the textbook. Type letters. Draw pictures. Watch movies. Listen to music. Have you done? Now let's do the good next activity. Now let's move on to the next activity. All of you are ready? Good. Let's move on to the first one. Section A. Test yourself. Section A. All of you read that. Fill in the missing letters to complete the sentence. So here you have to fill up that dashes, blanks to complete that sentence. Read the first sentence. What is that? We use a computer to dash y dash dash letters. What is that? What is that word? Correct. Type letters. Very good. Then start writing. You can write T T. Y is the P. E. Type letters. Now you read that first sentence complete. We use a computer to type letters. Now the second one. Read that sentence. We use a computer to dash to music. What is that? Listen to music. We use a computer to listen to music. What is the spelling of listen? L I. Write I. This is I. S is the T E N. Listen. Listen to music. Have you completed first and second? Shall I move on to the third one? Okay. Third one, we use a computer to dash games. What is that word? What is that word? Yes, play games. Correct. Spelling P L A Y. Play games. Fourth one. Have you completed the third? Ready? Fourth one. We use a computer to dash movies. What is that? What is that? Say. Watch movies. Correct. W A T C H. W A T C H. Watch movies. Now let's move on to the next activity, that is activity B. Same page, page number 14. Tick the correct statements and cross out the wrong ones. You have to find out true or false. So, first one, read that sentence, all of you. Read. Mummy can cook food on a computer. Is it true or false? Can we cook food on computer? No. So what do you have to do? Put a wrong. There you have to put wrong. Read the next one. Raju can type letters on a computer. Can we type letters on a computer? Is it true or false? True. So tick mark. That's correct. Put a tick mark in that square box. Raju can type letters on a computer. We can type letters, numbers, your phone number, names, etc. Third one. Vinitha can toast bread on a computer. What is toast? Bread toast. Where we are preparing that toast? In toaster or on a pan. So is it true or false? That is false. Put a wrong. Next one, fourth one. Jaya can watch Chota Bheem on a computer. Chota Bheem, what is that? Yes, that's a cartoon movie. We can watch that on a computer. So is that true or false? That is true. So look here once more. First one, Mummy can cook food on a computer. False. Second one, Raju can type letters on a computer. True. Third one, Vinitha can toast bread on a computer. False. Jaya can watch Chota Bheem on a computer. That is true. Have you completed? Yes. Shall I move on to the next one, next exercise? Sure? Okay, good. So, next one, that is section C. Name these places where computers are used. You have to identify the pictures. Look at the first one. What is that? Look, can you identify? Which place is that? Read this word. What is written there? Railways. So we can write the spelling of railway station. That's a railway station. Start from here. Write RAILWAY. Railway station. I am writing station here. STATION. Railway station. Now, have you completed the first one? Shall I move on to the next one? Okay. Second one. Identify that picture. What's going on there? Her mom is teaching. Her at which place? Home. So, that is home. 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 Have you completed? Okay, the next one, third picture. Look at that. Identify that place. All are familiar with that place. Where is that? Your smart class. And teacher is demonstrating, explaining the parts of plant. So that is a place. Where is that place? Tell me. Which place is that? Yes, sure. School. 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 Now, let's move on to the next row. Question number 4. Can you identify this fourth one? That manager preparing bill. That is a shop. 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 And look at the next one. Identify that picture. What you can see on that picture? Yes, that's an aeroplane. So, that will be an airport. Correct. Spelling AIRPORT. 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 Now, the sixth picture. Sixth one. What is going on there? That's a sick patient. He is sick. So, which place is that? Which place is that? Yes, that's a hospital. 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 Spelling HOSPITAL. Hospital. Once more. Let's see the first one, that is railway station. Second one, HOME. Home. Third one, SEHOOL. School. Fourth one, shop. Fifth one, airport. 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 And the sixth one, hospital. Now let's move on to the next activity. Section D. Write the first letter of each picture to get the names of places where computers are used. First one, you have to write the first letter of each picture. Then you will get a word. First picture, that is hat. So first letter is hat. Second one, what is that? Second one is owl. What is the first letter? O. And the third picture, that is sun. So you can write, what is the first letter? S. Now, fourth picture is a picture of peacock. Yes, correct. Then what is the first letter? P, right? P. Now, next picture is, very good, ice cream. What is the first letter? I. Then you can look at the picture. What is that? That is a tree. What is the first letter? T. Tree. Then apple. What is the first letter? A. Apple. And the last picture is picture of lion. What is the first letter? L. Now read that word. All of you read that word. Hospital. What is that? Correct. Hospital. Now let's move on to the next picture. That is, have you completed? Shall I move? Okay. This is the second picture. What is the first letter? First picture? Yes, shirt. So what is the first letter? S. Okay, S. Then what is the next picture? What is that? Helicopter. Good, good. H. First letter is H. Then second letter is picture is helicopter. What is the third picture? That's a picture of an owl. O. Fourth picture is peacock. First letter is P. Read that word. What is that? S-H-O-P. What is that? That's shop. Very good, very good. All of you read along with me. Shop. Have you completed? Now let's move on to the next one. That is third section. Look at that picture, first one. What is that? That's a picture of scissors. What's the first letter? S. Write S. Then this is second picture. Your birthday cake. So what is the first letter of cake? C. And what is this? That's home. Your home. So house. What is the first letter? H. Then next picture is what is that? Orange. Good, good. O. Orange. Again, that's an owl. O. And what is the last picture? That is yellow fruit. What is that? Correct. Lemon. L. Read that word. S-C-H-O-O-L. What is that? School. Correct. Now, have you completed? Let me move to the last one. Question number 4. Find out the first picture. What is that? Hand. What is the first letter? H. Can you see? I'll change the color. That is H. Next one. What is that? Orange. O. And third picture is correct, monkey. Then what is the first letter? M. Monkey. And these are eggs. So what is the first letter? E for eggs. Read that word. Home. Are you done with the work? Once more, I'll repeat. First word, hospital. Second word, S-H-O-P, shop. And the third one, school. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Fourth one, home. Have you completed? Shall I move to the next section? Right? Are you ready? Okay, let's start the next activity, that is activity E. What can you do on a computer? Tick the correct pictures, cross out the wrong ones. Look at the first picture. What is that? She is reading or writing. Okay, we can type that, write that. Type on computer. So, is it true or false? Yes, that's true. So, we can put a tick mark for that. Tick mark. What is the second one? He is bathing there. Is it true or false? Yeah, that's wrong. So, put a wrong. And look at the third picture. She is listening to music. Can we do that? Yes, we can do that activity on computer. So, you can put a tick mark on that. Once more, first one true, second one false, third one true. Now, let's move to the second row. That is the fourth picture. Look at that. That boy is watering the plants. Can we water the plants using computer? No, so that's wrong. Put a cross mark in that box. Fifth one, look at that. What she is doing there? Look at that. She is drawing and coloring a picture. Can we do that on a computer? We can do that on computer using paint. So, you can put a tick mark. Next one. Let's move on to the next one. Look at that picture. She is dancing. Is it true or false? That is false. So, here fourth one false, fifth one true, sixth one again false. Clear? Once more, this section, first one true. Have you marked? Second one wrong, false. Third one true, fourth one false, fifth one true, sixth one false. Okay, you must study these words. Write and study these words: hospital, shop, school, home 10 times. Okay, this section you must write and study. Now you can close your textbook, open your rough book, start writing the words. Okay. So Becky,
Yes.
let's wind up the class.
Yes.
I hope all of you have learned the uses of computer and the places where computers are used.
Yes. Yes.
All of you read the chapter 5 times.
Okay, they'll surely read the chapter.
Okay, copy the question answers and new words from the ECMS notes section and study that thoroughly. So, let's call it a day.
Yes.
Thank you. Bye.
Tata, bye bye.